Good afternoon, Bicolandia. Welcome to this another matchup. This time it's the Juniors Division Basketball. It's the Ateneo Golden Knights and the ACC Green Serpents here in Bukal Season 6. We're Futurized. We're also live on One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. It's the seniors counterpart, the ACC Green Serpents, the Juniors Division, and the Ateneo Golden Knights, which are looking for their third win this season. Both of these teams, one game lose, and also a two-game winning streak for both of these teams, searching for their third win this season.
Ayan, talagang aabangan natin LA dito ang bakbakang ACC Green Serpents versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. Ayan, I'm Rick Puertan together with Miss LA and kami po ang makakasama nyo all throughout this game. So, yun nabanggit mo nga dito LA na both teams nagkaroon ng isang talo dito sa ating liga and seeking for another win para magkaroon ng magandang posisyon on that standing na hinahawakan natin dito sa ating elimination rounds ng Bukal Season 6. So, I'm very excited kung ano ba ang ipapakita ng dalawang koponan na ito when it comes to their game plan and new tactics, because we know that ACC Green Serpents and Ateneo Golden Knights, pag nagtapat ang dalawang ito, talagang maganda ang malaban dito sa loob ng hardcourt.
Well, especially kapag Ateneo and ACC Green Serpents, expected na yung laro is not just a ordinary game, but it's a battle of the school pride here. And Ateneo Golden Knights is facing the defending champions, the Amando Cope College Green Serpents, the team who dethroned the back-to-back champions, the NCF Cubs, in Bukal Season 5. And the Ateneo Golden Knights is going on a great start here with a 2-1, same as with the ACC Green Serpents, and searching for their third win this season. They've defeated the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon Unit Incorporated, and a while ago, the Bisca Spartans faced the STI Olympians, wherein the STI Olympians dominated the game against the Bisca Spartans.
Yes. Let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo between the ACC Green Serpents and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Yan ang aabangan natin. So, in a few minutes magsisimula na ang bakbaka ng dalawang koponan na ito. And let's see kung sino ang makakakuha ng isa pang panalo to make their standing 3-1 sa ating Bukal Season 6. Yan, nakikita natin dito sa loob ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Ang Ateneo community na palagi talagang sumusuporta dito sa kanilang koponan. One big fight nga ang sinisigaw dito sa loob ng ating venue. So titignan natin on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights kung masisecure nila ang kanilang pangatlong panalo. Meanwhile, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter on the side of this Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. We have Via. Hi Via, anong update natin dyan?
Good afternoon, sports fans. I'm Veronica Nakoro, your courtside reporter from the bench of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. And we're all set for another thrilling afternoon of basketball here at the Ateneo Gymnasium. Today's game is a face-off between the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights and the ACC Green Serpents. Both teams are ready to showcase their skills and their determination in the hardcourt. We're live via One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. The Knights has been on a 2-1 streak and is hungry for more victory. With the ACC Green Serpents also on a 2-1 record, this is going to be a competitive game right from the start. That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Vea, for that update on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, giving us a fresh report of showcasing skills of the Ateneo Golden Knights. You see here JC Claro and number 19 of the Green Serpents, Belardo, to start things off with a jump ball, and ACC Green Serpents gets that first ball possession against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Bungon, no good there. Well, we talk about the opposite side of the baseline. Let's talk about the opposite side of our baseline. Our courtside reporter from the side of the Green Serpents, Alyssa, what's the update of the Green Serpents?
Hi, Rick and Ale, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. The league is just getting fiercer as we are now on the fourth week of Bukal Season 6, where Futurized. The Junior Serpents are back on front court trying to serve vengeance for their senior counterparts as it was devoured by the Ateneo Golden Knights on their last game. Today, they are fueled by determination to prove that the effectiveness of the Serpents basketball system and high caliber skills. This is Eliza Faith Batesa Respeto, and join me as we witness the Serpents leader this ballgame. Only here on Bukal Season 6, 1 Media TV 48 Naga or Ragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the night.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Eliza, for that update. So nabanggit nga dito ng courtside reporter on the side of the ACC Green Serpents na magbabounce back dito ang juniors ng ACC Green Serpents because kahapon nga natalo dito ang kanilang seniors basketball team na kung saan nakakuha ang Ateneo Golden Knights ng isa pang panalo para maganda ang kanilang standing dito sa ating Bukal Season 6. So let's see kung ano ba ang gagawin dito ng kanilang juniors players para sa araw na ito.
It's like Ateneo is saying that no one is safe from the Division 1 as they face their greatest fears. They defeated the Serpents and causing the Serpents to lose the momentum and making them a 3-1 on our standings. Officially, Ateneo claiming the top spot, statistically holding the top spot of Division 1 of the Seniors Division. And now the Juniors Division here, Junmar Madrona fires an early first blood on the ACC Green Serpents, putting up the Green Serpents up by 2 points against Ateneo. Charles Solomon here bringing the ball for Ateneo. Bongon gets that steal with a fast break layup. That's good.
So great couple of points produced by the ACC Green Serpents dito sa pagsisimula ng ating first quarter. A great start for them. Now, let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng Golden Knights.
Double teamed early here si Charles Solomon, and that caused the Ateneo Golden Knights to create a turnover with an 8 seconds violation. They failed to bring the ball to the front court early on. ACC Green Serpents up by 4.
Now, the ACC Green Serpents, maganda ang pinapakita dito sa pagsisimula ng ating laro. At mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang koponan ng Ateneo Golden Knights because they are down by 4 here sa ating first quarter. So, ano kaya ang magiging game plan dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents because there's a pressure on their side. Defending champion, sila dito ang may hawak ng titulo on that previous season of Bukal. So, talagang ang ibang teams gustong-gustong maagaw dito ang kampyonato sa ating Bukal Season 6. So yan ang aabangan natin. Will the Ateneo Golden Knights secure their third win or will the ACC Green Serpents makakakuha rin ng pangatlong panalo dito sa araw na ito?
And actually, the ACC Green Serpents got their only loss against the first runner-up last season, the NCF Cubs, while Ateneo got their first loss against the ACLC Hawks, which was defeated by the NCF Cubs last week. No, so kahit medyo maulan, andun pa din yung suporta ng ACLC Hawks at yung NCF community on that game, and a 4-0 run here being shown by the ACC Green Serpents as Madrona will be inbounding the ball for the Green Serpents.
Madrona to jersey number 18. Now Madrona fires for that 3 and another point conversion on their side at unang 3 para dito kay Madrona sa larong ito.
That was an offensive foul on Solomon.
Now, another turnover committed on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, chance again for the ACC Green Serpents para dagdagan dito ang kanilang puntos.
So a sense of urgency must be shown here by the Ateneo Golden Knights as they are still scoreless in the first quarter. Kurt Pentecostes to inbound.
Now,
Madrona once again trapping.
so a couple of substitution on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights to clear things up at para makakuha na sila ng kanilang unang puntos para dito sa larong ito. The ball possession will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. No good.
Ateneo Golden Knights basketball here. They have Belano. Pentecostes to Belano again. Open three. Airballs that shot. So ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, ACC Green Serpents on the offense right now. Madrona looking for his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa ACC Green Serpents. Another point conversion on their side.
ACC Green Serpents shutting down the door here for the Ateneo Golden Knights as they are now enforcing a full court man-to-man trapping here with a 9-0 run as JC Claro will stop the bleeding for the Ateneo and get their first point for this game against the Green Serpents.
They need that good offense on the side of the Golden Knights. Now Madrona forcing that one and rebound para dito kay Claro. Delano itatawid ang bola on the side of this Golden Knights squad.
Solomon, 10 seconds to shoot. Claro. No good in that mid-range jumper by Claro.
And Serpents on the offense, jersey number 70. And Medrano may hawak ng bola, taking their time. Ateneo basketball.
Once again, a turnover here of the Golden Knights. Napapadalas dito yung mga turnovers ng Ateneo. And they're still struggling on how can they start aggressively against the ACC Green Serpents. Pongon, pump fakes a 3 to Madrona. Guarded by Belano. Pongon goes inside. Madrona. Naubos doon yung shot clock at yung shot clock violation will be committed by the ACC Green Serpents.
So sayang yung opportunity na yon on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Belano.
Early on,
His teammate.
the Ateneo Golden Knights is being trapped here, but JC Claro finds a way to once again score for the Golden Knights.
Now, ACC basketball. And a whistle coming from our referee. Now, substitution on both sides. 9-4 on our scoreboard. Still, both teams are having difficulties to have a great offense right now. Now, Madrona will try in and out ball.
Claro secures that possession. Belano almost thinking a three-pointer there. Sarmiento back to Belano. 10 seconds to shoot. Claro once again. No good on that two-pointer.
ACC basketball.
Belano secures that ball for the Ateneo Golden Knights. No good on that three by Abiog.
Serpents with the ball possession, jersey number 18. Passing the ball to jersey number 17 and taking their time here. Now 6 seconds to shoot para dito sa Green Serpents. Tries for that, no good. Now Claro on the rebound on the side of the Golden Knights.
Once again, a low scoring here
Yes.
being shown by both of these teams as we are nearing the 3-minute mark of our ball game, and a three-pointer attempt by Belano, no good on that corner.
I think both teams are finding their groove dito sa ating first quarter.
And
But another point was added on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, 11 for an hour scoreboard.
that's a traveling violation committed here. And a couple of substitutions for the ACC Green Serpents. ACC Green Serpents basketball here. Mayor to Bongon. He is guarded here by Belano. Bongon teardrop shot, no good. Foul on jersey number 12 of ACC. Abiog to the corner. 14 seconds to shoot, Sarmiento. Good hold there by Serrano. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot for the Green Serpents. Vidal, corner three, no good. Double teamed here, number 23 of Ateneo.
What a great defense showing on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Pressure kung pressure
Yes.
dito. Yung ACC Green Serpents against Ateneo. And napadami-dami na din yung turnovers dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights against the ACC Green Serpents. But a traveling violation committed there by the ACC Green Serpents. And traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours.
Now, Ateneo Golden Knights, 11-4, and they are behind sa ating first quarter. They need to double their effort here. No good, but an offensive rebound on the side of their team. Basket count, samahan pa yun ng foul para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights.
Biones gets a good touch and a good rhythm to get that basket to count, and a three-point play opportunity will be awarded to Briones.
So they need that point para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights, because nabanggit mo nga kanina, they are struggling when it comes to their offense right now. But at this moment, 3 points ang mabibigay dito on the
Medyo-
side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Medyo hirap din sila kasi makatakas dun sa defensive pressure na ginagawa
Yes.
ng ACC Green Serpents. Kaya medyo maingat din yung mga plays ngayon ng Ateneo. And almost yung defense nila, nakazone nga sila dito, 3-2 zone defense, and a rebound by Briones. Sarmiento attempted for a double team.
Now,
Evan Bautista.
Ateneo Golden Knights need to score right now, and on cue, another 2 points was added on their side.
Carol Pelapil making the Green Serpents, or cutting down the Green Serpents lead to 2 points. Vital. Mayor has the ball. Vital was open on the corner and he makes that shot for the Green Serpents. A 14-9 here, and shot clock is off with 17 seconds to shoot. Pelapil.
Now, Golden Knights, kailangan ditong magkaroon ng magandang momentum para sa ating panapos sa ating first quarter, but a whistle on our referee.
Almost a rough landing for Pilapil while he was fouled by number 16 of the ACC Coletja of the Green Serpents.
Now, nabanggit mo kanina on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, they are showing great defense right now para dito sa ating laro. So, nabanggit nga ng coaches nila na defense is the best offense. So, they are making sure na hindi magkakaroon ng magandang pasa on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, and forcing the Ateneo Golden Knights to commit turnover para dito sa ating laro.
A substitution here as a 4-point lead rather. On the 5-second mark of our first quarter. That's a layup by a number 5 of Ateneo, J9, finishing that first quarter with a nice one-hand layup.
And kitang-kita sa ating replay. Maganda. Hawak ng ACC Green Serpents, magbabalik po kami para sa ating second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back live here inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium.
Ayan. We are on our second quarter and still abante dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, quick shoutout tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout dito kay Ronel Boreta from Baao. Pinapa-shoutout ni Maui Balane, one of the courtside reporter here sa Bukal Season 6. Thank you po for your support. Now, back to the ball game. ACC basketball. Madrona taking his time para dito sa kanilang koponan. Now, 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa ACC Green Serpents. Madrona will try. No good. Rebound on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Bautista. Tatawid ang bola.
The official score was actually corrected. It's 13-14. So, may free throw. Pumasok pala yung dalawang free throws kanina for Ateneo. And it was checked by our stats team. And 1-point lead na lamang dito yung hawak ng ACC Green Serpents. A chance for Ateneo to take the lead against the ACC Green Serpents. Madrona, long three, no good. Eben Bautista to Pilapil.
Chance for the Golden Knights here para makalamang, but a nice steal on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Still struggling here on the offensive side, while ACC Green Serpents still being dominant here on their offensive play. So we are talking about the ACC Green Serpents. Let's call on their courtside reporter, Ali. Ali, what's the update?
Well, thank you, Rick and LA. The first quarter is a testament of hard work and dedication poured by the Serpents in order to serve vengeance. During the huddle, the boys were reminded to always recognize their man and stick to the game plan. Make sure that every man inside the hard court plays the Serpents' high-caliber basketball. That's it for now. Back to you, Rick and LA.
Thank you so much, Ali, for that update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. They are displaying their training, their hard work, their preparation and dedication entering this match, and they're recognizing that is a crucial part of this game, is to recognize the man and to communicate well and execute properly the game plan against the Ateneo Golden Knights.
So what a game plan on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Talagang ginagawa nila dito ang basketball basics. Now, let's see kung magiging consistent ba dito ang kanilang players, because right now, abanti dito ng isang puntos ang Ateneo Golden Knights. And on the other side of things, let's call the courtside reporter on the side of the Golden Knights to give us report now via anong mainit na update on the side of your team.
We're into the second quarter now, and it's been a back and forth affair. The Serpents jumped out with an early lead, but the Knights quickly responded with JC Claro charging the lead. It's shaping up into a fight that we've all been waiting for. That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Via, for that update on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. We remember a while ago, JC Claro started to fuel the fire here for Ateneo Golden Knights and drawing first blood against the ACC Green Serpents. And right now, they're on a 1-point lead here, but Solomon loses that ball to now Madrona will be. Ball is stripped from the hands of Madrona by Bautista.
So, we've talked about JC Claro a while ago. So, a player to watch out para dito sa Golden Knights on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ito ang kanilang dapat bantayan because again, you've mentioned earlier, JC Claro starting the fire para dito sa ating Golden Knights. And ayaw naman natin maging snowball ang performance dito ni JC Claro on the side of Golden Knights if you are on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. So, yan ang aabangan natin all throughout this game.
Especially the ACC Green Serpents trying to get the revenge on their senior counterparts as Pongon gets that basket to count. 3-point play opportunity.
Let's see on that replay. And yun, makakakuha nga ng magandang point conversion ang side ng ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 17 stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity para sa kanilang koponan.
Fails to make that 3-point play opportunity as Claro gets a hold of that defensive rebound. Pentecostes open 3. Kaboom!
What a great 3 points para dito sa ADNU Golden Knights. Clean 3 points para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Now, the table has turned on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. So I'm sure Ateneo community nagsisimula na para sa kanilang one big fight chant para dito sa ating laro.
Usually, kapag may 3-pointer na nagagawa yung Ateneo, unti-unting lumalakas yung Golden Cavalry or
Yes.
the band of the Ateneo Golden Knights as Pentecostes once again. A mid-range jumper, no good.
Not this time para kay Pentecostes. Now, ACC Green Serpents, kailangang ibalik dito ang nawalang groove on the first quarter. Now, Madrona and the rest of the ACC Green Serpents need to score right now.
Medyo lumabas dito yung defense paunti-unti ng Ateneo Golden Knights kasi usually the ACC Green Serpents have known to be an attacker and used to penetrate and drive inside the basket as Solomon fails to make that layup.
Now, steal on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Madrona will try. No good.
Once again, the Ateneo Golden Knights getting a hold of the ball possession. Solomon loses that ball. But ball will stay on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights as Vidal will check in for the ball game and Abiog of Ateneo also checked in.
So coming from that last time out on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, pinapakita nila dito na kaya nila makatapat ang defending champion.
And JC Claro was fouled by Vargas of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Claro, 2 free throws for him.
So So another point on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. So yun LA, ano ang napapansin mo dito on the side of the ACC Green Serpents? Because sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter, medyo okay pa ito. But coming on the last 5 minutes of our second quarter, nakikita natin dito na ang ACC Green Serpents, they are struggling with their comes to their defense. Nabaliktad na nga ang ating laro ngayong araw na ito.
Well, actually, both of these teams starting to feel the fatigue of this ball game, especially medyo aggressive yung start dito at medyo fast-paced din yung ball game natin ngayong araw, and the ACC Green Serpents have been trying to fire shots from the outside. The Ateneo Golden Knights have executed zone defenses, and yung Ateneo Golden Knights naman, they have been attacking those areas na wala masyadong defense, and that makes a point for Ateneo in this ball game and a 3-point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights. The timeout is called by the ACC Green Serpents.
Now,
with 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
yes, LA. So, yun nga nabanggit mo kanina na Ateneo Golden Knights is slowly but surely getting their groove dito sa ating laro. So, nabaliktad na nga ang ating scoreboard. The lead is on the side of their team. So, yun with the lead of their player, JC Claro, talagang nagkakaroon dito ng magandang confidence sa loob ng hardcourt ang Ateneo Golden Knights. That's why these ACC Green Serpents medyo nai-intimidate when it comes to their defense on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. So, quick shoutout tayo dito sa ating mga live viewers sa Oragon Sports TV, Bukal Facebook page, and One Media TV 48 Naga. Shoutout kay Christine Reyes, one of the commentators here sa Bukal Season 6, watching para dito sa larong ADNU Golden Knights versus the ACC Green Serpents.
And to our viewers, we are actually experiencing technical difficulties, so bear with us in this live coverage of Bukal Season 6. But hopefully you'll stay with us at the end of our ball game. So may dalawa pa tayong natitirang laban, which will be the Provincial Prisa rematch of the NCF and the UNC Greyhounds. Next after this ball game and after the game of the NCF and UNC, we also have the both undefeated, the USI and the CSPC of Division 2 Seniors Division.
So another beautiful games to watch out para dito sa Bukal Season 6. Now back to the ball game, ACC Green Serpents. May hawak ng bola.
Ruben Vidal gets that three-pointer just as the shot clock was expiring. A tied ball game here on our ball game.
Ateneo basketball, Pentecostes. No good. The ball possession will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. We are outside up at 19, everyone.
ACC Green Serpents basketball here. Belano guarding here, number 17, number Vargas. To Vidal. Open three. No good.
Ateneo seeking for a point here and aiming for that. Belano will try, no good, but JC Claro medyo nahihirapan on the side of the Golden Knights, but still the ball will go on the team of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Naitapat dito kay Claro yung isa din sa matangkad na player ng ACC Green Serpents, Belardo. Medyo pinahirapan dito si Claro inside the paint, and there's a pushing motion there by Vargas of the Green Serpents, and a holding foul was called here.
Now a Biog to inbound. 10 seconds to shoot para sa Golden Knights. Belano passing the ball to Claro. Again, great defense para dito sa Green Serpents. Offensive rebound para kay Abiog. Now Claro. No good again on that last sequence para dito sa Golden Knights.
Medyo may adrenaline situation here si JC Claro. When he gets that ball, usually ang nangyayari, minamadali niyang may shoot doon. Pero from watching the last season sa Bukal, gumanda dito yung shooting forms ni Claro, and Vidal once again on fire on the 3-point line.
speaking of shooting capabilities para dito sa ating mga players, ECC Green Serpents again. Nakakailang 3 points na on their side para dito sa ating laro. And another steal para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Offensive
Good.
rebound. But still,
well, a couple of substitutions here for both of these teams as we are nearing the 2-minute mark of our ball game.
now the Ateneo Golden Knights having substitution right now and finding the great chemistry on the side of their players now. Chance for them to score.
Abiog finds Briones, but to no avail. Once again, the ACC Green Serpents basketball here. Vidal once again on the corner to Madrona. 5 seconds to shoot here. Vidal being trapped here by Pentecostes. Madrona 3. No good.
Now, Biog may hawak ng bola on the side of the Golden Knights. Fusho. Offensive rebound. And a great point conversion para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights.
Briones using his body to penetrate inside the paint and getting that 2-pointer to go for Ateneo. A 1-point lead here of the ACC Green Serpents as we are seconds to play and seconds away from ending the second quarter and a substitution of the ACC Green Serpents and Ateneo Golden Knights. We have Oliver Hapana entering for the Ateneo Golden Knights. And J9, Jacob Yap, one of the new players of Ateneo, entering or checking in for this ball game.
Now, let's see kung ano magiging contribution ng mga bagong pasok dito on both sides. KCC to inbound para dito sa ating laro. Now, this is number 18.
Kuha doon ni Madrona yung pasa and madali talaga makuha yung 2-pointer doon and he gets that and a 3-point lead. 3 puntos yung angat dito ng ACC Green Serpents. A 3-pointer by Ateneo. That's good for Pentecostes.
Now, deadlock at 24. Again, Pentecostes. And with his own version of 3 points, jersey number 16, Barsaga on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Rather, Colecha.
10 seconds to play here for the second quarter. 5 seconds for Ateneo to create a 3-pointer. J9, no good. And that ends our second quarter with ACC on the lead against Ateneo 29-24. This is Bukal Season 6, where future rise. We're back live here inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the third quarter. It's the ACC Green Serpents versus the Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights.
Now, LA, anong nangyari on that halftime para dito sa ating laro? Because I'm very excited kung kanino ba nagkaroon ng magandang turnover and assist on...
Well, it ended on the side of the ACC Green Serpents just as we finished the second quarter. 29-24, it's the ACC basketball here against Ateneo. The two-point percentage was both on the same side, but ACC Green Serpents more on leaning 8%, 7 out of 18, while on Ateneo 7 out of 23 on two-point field goals, while on the three-point percentage, ACC Green Serpents have tried more against Ateneo with 5 out of 17 for ACC and 2 out of 10 for the Golden Knights. And on the free throw percentage, the Ateneo Golden Knights made 4 out of 5 of their free throws, while none for the ACC Green Serpents. And their total rebounds of Ateneo is much more than the ACC Green Serpents with 24 out of and 14 for the ACC Green Serpents. 15 turnovers for Ateneo, while 12 on the ACC Green Serpents. 10 fast break points for ACC, while 2 on Ateneo, and 17 starter points for ACC Green Serpents and 11 for Ateneo. That's how deep the starter points of the ACC Green Serpents on the second quarter, from the second and first quarter of this game.
Ayan, so let's see as the game progress para dito sa ating larong ito, and wasted opportunity on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights on that last play.
Pilapil narrowly gets that successful layup attempt, but that was no good. And Vargas
ACC Green Serpents tries for that three, no good. Bautista on that rebound. And to hear an update on this side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter, Via. Hi, Via. Anong update siya?
It's halftime here at the Ateneo Gymnasium. It has been a hard-fought game so far with both teams playing solid defense. Kurt Pentecoste, jersey number 9, has been a standout performer, putting up 2 3-pointers. Ateneo needs to make adjustments in the second half if they want to take control of the game. That is all. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Via, for that update. So nabanggit nga niya ang standout player on the side of the Golden Knights, Pentecostes, na nagkaroon ng magandang 3 points on that previous quarter, na talaga namang nakapag palamang dito sa kanilang kupunan. But right now, 30-29 on our scoreboard, and the lead is on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Bautista getting that 3-pointer just as Via was reporting for Ateneo Golden Knights. And now let's call on our courtside reporter from the opposite side of our baseline, the ACC Green Serpents courtside reporter Ali. Ali, what's your update?
Well, thank you, Rick and LA. We are now on the second half of the game, and the Serpents are now on fire, determined to win this matchup. During the huddle, the boys were reminded to strengthen their defense and make sure to find the most open man for a sure offense. Coach Badong also emphasized to have the confidence to shoot for threes, as the Serpents have high shooting percentage, especially on the three-point line. Last 2 quarters of the game, this is now the time to go all out. Well, that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali, on that update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. They have to go all out in this game against the Ateneo Golden Knights, just as Ateneo is also hungry for that third win this season, and they're evenly matched against the ACC Green Serpents. Bautista looks for Pilapil. Vital is guarding a Pilapil. A pick by Claro. Solomon to Pilapil again, 5 seconds to shoot. What will they have to do here? Our game continues as the ACC Green Serpents, number 16, that layup. No traffic there for number 16 of Green Serpents, Colecha, as he gets that fast break point.
What a move and what a steal on the side of their team. Now, The ACC Green Serpents. Nagkakaroon dito ng mini run on the side of our game now. Turnover on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Basketball ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights and chance for them para makakuha ulit dito ng puntos.
Sarmiento of the Golden Knights. Kuha sana doon ni Serrano yung steal for the ACC Green Serpents, and Pentecostes sealing a 2 points for the ACC Green Serpents. 3-point lead na lamang dito yung hawak ng Green Serpents against the Ateneo Golden Knights. That's a spin. Mayor of the Green Serpents with 6 seconds to shoot. Serrano. That's a shot clock violation committed by Serrano. And ball possession will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
The Ateneo Golden Knights, they need to score right now to cut the lead or even steal the lead para lead para dito sa ating third quarter match. And yun nga, right on cue, JC Claro makakakuha dito ng 2 points para sa kanilang koponan.
Well, balik dito sa isang puntos yung kalamangan ng ACC Green Serpents, just as Claro using that 2 hands to, and also using the glass to finish that play for Ateneo. 10 seconds to shoot once again for the ACC Green Serpents. Vidal, guarded by Pentecostes. Claro, foul is number 18. Or number 2 rather, Evan Bautista. And a substitution here for Ateneo.
Napapansin ko, LA, dito sa ating third quarter, medyo nahihirapan dito ang ACC Green Serpents because of the tight defense na hawak ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights, as with nakikita natin kanina na nagkakaroon dito ng shot clock violation on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. That's why nahihirapan sila dito magkaroon o mandagdagan ang kanilang kalamangan. Meanwhile, these Ateneo Golden Knights squad nagkakaroon dito ng magandang chemistry inside the court. That's why naibaba dito sa dalawa ang dapat nilang habulin.
Well, shoutout natin dito si Technical Head, Sir Edward Faraon of the SVP of our table officials for this game. And usually shot clock violations are being committed when a tight defense is being shown by an opponent, and Pentecostes tying the game after sealing that 3-pointer. And there is a foul on Pentecostes of Ateneo.
36 all on our scoreboard. 5 minutes and 18 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. And again, yung nabanggit kanina ni Via, na court sa deporte ng Ateneo Golden Knights, the standout player right now still nagkakaroon ng magandang contribution on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
And kaganda naman dito sa ACC Green Serpents is they have the confidence and they are really finding their man in terms of getting a point for the ACC Green Serpents. And Evan Bautista, he was open but doesn't make that 3-pointer as Bautista once again gets that offensive rebound to Pentecostes. Long bomb, no good.
A chance for the Green Serpents here to get the lead para dito sa ating third quarter match. And right on cue, 2 points para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents.
Bongwana, doesn't matter if a defense is in front of his face as he makes that layup to go. Kurt Pentecostes hits the rim but no good. ACC Green Serpents basketball here. 3. That's good for a number 16 of the Green Serpents, Colecha.
So di natin na-mention dito si Colecha on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Kanina din, nakakarami na din na 3 points dito ang ating player on the side of this ACC Green Serpents, Colecha. Now, Golden Knights, no good on that attempt.
Well, the Golden Knights now will be forcing to spread out even more kasi the Green Serpents have been shooting now from the outside as number 17 Bongon fires a 3, no good. Claro secures that rebound. Number 6 of Ateneo.
Abiog to Bautista.
Bautista. That's an offensive foul. Called on Claro. Here's a substitution here for Ateneo Golden Knights and the ACC Green Serpents. Judmar Madrona will be entering this ball game. Once again, number 5, J9 of Ateneo, who checked in for Ateneo.
Madrona may hawak ng bola on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Madrona tries that one, passing the ball to jersey number 5. Heavily guarded here.
Pantay sarado doon si Serrano. Kasi usually Serrano nagsistayan doon sa paint and usually yung layup niya pamatay talaga eh. Pumupuntos talaga to yung Serrano inside the paint and number 5 J9 gets that point.
So, puntos para sa off-the-bench player ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, ACC Green Serpents with the ball possession. There's number 9.
Vidal on fire for the ACC Green Serpents. Kanina pa to si Vidal shooting a 3-pointer for the Green Serpents and Ateneo still struggling for a point na makapuntos dito sa ACC Green Serpents.
Now, 44-38 on our scoreboard. And again, ACC Green Serpents may hawak ngayon ng kalamangan.
Once again, nearing the end of our third quarter with 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Vidal thought about a 3. Madrona, 10 seconds to shoot. Double team to Vidal. Bongon to Vidal. But a shot clock violation once again committed by the ACC Green Serpents. A good defensive play by Ateneo Golden Knights. And Oliver Habana of Ateneo will be entering for this ball game.
Now, yung magandang defensive play dito ng Ateneo leads to the ball possession on their side. Now, Abiog hold on the player of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, ball possession ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Abiog to inbound. Looking for his teammate.
Uno Amador fails to capitalize that shot for Ateneo. Junmar Madrona off balance. J9. Jacob Yap spins. Belano. To J9. On the corner, 3 by Abiog. Airballs that shot. Ruben Vidal, 3. No good. Seth Belano with that defensive rebound. Uno Amador is being guarded here. Double teamed here si Amador. And that's a helpful situation by Madrona and Amador. And the referee is pacifying the situation here.
Now, substitution para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Golden Knights to inbound. Now Yap with the ball.
1 second. Well, that fails. He fails to make that shot, and also a shot clock violation being committed by the Golden Knights with 40 seconds to shoot here. And the Ateneo Golden Knights down by 6 points against the ACC Green Serpents on the 35th minute mark, 35th 5-second mark of our third quarter.
The Green Serpents with the ball possession, aiming to add their lead here. Madrona, no good.
Madrona was open there, but fails to make that shot. No defense on in front of him as Pilapil to the corner. And out of bounds. 6 seconds to create a play here for the ACC Green Serpents. Madrona guarded by Belano. Slips. Pilapil, last shot, no good. Just as the time expires, that ends our third quarter. 44-38, still in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. We'll be right back after the short break for the fourth and final quarter.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng bakbakang ACC Green Serpents versus Ateneo Golden Knights, and nasa fourth quarter na po tayo. 44-38 an our scoreboard, and hawak pa rin po dito ng ACC Green Serpents ang kalamangan.
That's a great start for Vidal despite the 3-2 zone defense being enforced by Ateneo Golden Knights and Pentecostes. Back to Bautista, Pilapil. To Briones on the corner. Claro inside, deflected by number 7 Vargas of the Green Serpents.
Now Pilapil to Endon. Passing the ball to jersey number 9, Pentecostes, no good. Now, ACC with the ball possession. Using number 16, passing the ball to jersey number 9.
Eben Bautista of the Golden Knights has the ball for Ateneo Pentecostes. He's guarded by Pilapil, guarded by Madrona. Fouled here by number 14, Junmar Madrona. And still a continuing dominant run of the ACC Green Serpents. ACC Green Serpents are maintaining their lead entering this fourth quarter, and Ateneo is still trailing. So let's call on our courtside reporter, Ali of the Green Serpents. Ali, what's the update?
Well, thank you, Rick and LA. Last quarter of the game, and the Serpents are continuously reminded to go all out and play their best, as this is the redemption game. Last 10 minutes, walang mapapagod. Focus and make sure that every man inside the hard court moves like a true-blooded Serpent. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali, on that update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, and a good advice. Kasi usually basketball is a physical and also rigid training yung kailangan dito. Kailangan sanayin talaga ng players yung mental toughness, preparedness, and also their physical, yung physique nila, yung strength and conditioning is always there for both of these teams. Yun yung madalas kalaban ng players na minsan sinasabi nila yung pagod nila is nasa utak na lamang nila, and they don't feel much fatigue when playing inside the court. And nakausap natin yung side ng ACC Green Serpents through Ali. We have Via here for Ateneo Golden Knights. Via, take it away.
The game is nothing but intense, with the team giving its best. The Serpents has managed to extend their lead slightly thanks to some key defense stops. But Ateneo is still in it, and their players are still heating up the scoreboard. That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Via, on that update of for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, and a 10-point lead here being shown by the ACC Green Serpents. But despite that, still the Ateneo Golden is still heating up. So I think we're having a heat check here for Ateneo Golden Knights against the ACC Green Serpents. So we'll see that maybe in the late stages of this quarter. So we have to stick and tune in for this game as we are continuing this ball game. Live coverage from Oragon Sports TV and One Media TV 48 Naga.
Ayan, quick shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga loyal viewers sa Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Shoutout po kay Romel Rahel na nakatutok sa atin live na live ngayon sa bakbakang ACC Green Serpents and Ateneo Golden Knights. Thank you so much po and happy viewing.
Vital, corner three. That's good! Back to back three for Vital. Vital really stepping up for the Green Serpents, and 51-38 here against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Claro, guarded by Belardo.
What a performance para dito kay jersey number 9 Vidal on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Kanina pa talaga nagpapakawala ng magandang 3 points para dito sa kanilang kupunan. That's why nahihirapan ditong makahabol ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Claro makes that second free throw attempt for Ateneo. But still, the momentum is on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, so the momentum hasn't shifted yet for Ateneo Golden Knights. Vidal now going inside, despite Claro in front of his face. Still gets that layup.
What a move and what a point conversion para dito kay Vidal. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights kailangan pumuntos dito. Now Belano tries for that long three, and on his own version of 3 points, makakabawi dito ang Golden Knights.
Kita ko si Claro, ay si Sarmiento umiiling kanina. Sabi wag daw ipasa, then Belano doesn't hesitate to shoot that 3-pointer despite a defense na nakabantay sa kanya, and a long three by Belano. Seconds to shoot.
Now jersey number 7 to Vidal, but block para sa last sequence na yon.
Anticipated na dito kasi kapag si Vidal on the outside without a defense, really taking advantage of that shot, but Uno Amador was there for a block. 4 seconds to shoot here. Madrona, what will they have to do here? And a shot clock violation that will not be counted as he commits that shot clock violation for the ACC Green Serpents, and still an 11-point lead of the Green Serpents against Ateneo.
Now, the ACC Green Serpents need to maintain their composure here sa ating 6 minutes and 27 seconds remaining para sa larong ito. They need to be consistent right now.
Number 19, Abelardo called for a holding foul against Uno Amador of Ateneo. Solomon, a corner three, hits the rim but to no avail. Junmar Madrona lay up. Fast break there by Junmar Madrona.
Now, Ateneo Golden Knights. Belano, no good on that long three. Again, wasted opportunity on their side.
Usually when Belano is right at that spot, he actually makes that shot. But maybe he's just warming up for this quarter. So may kita natin if after so many attempts or after a few attempts, if he'll make that shot for Ateneo.
Now, ACC Green Serpents, chance to add their score here. But turnover on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, that's why the Ateneo Golden Knights ang may hawak ng bola ngayon.
Sarmiento. Charles Solomon open a while ago. Yes, sir!
This time, makakapasok na nga ang 3 points on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights because they really need score right now because again, kita nga natin dito, hindi na nagpapahabol ang ACC Green Serpents sa kanilang kalamangan. 55-45 on our scoreboard.
Well, all the Ateneo have to do here. And foul on number 18, Mayor of the Green Serpents.
Now, Solomon to inbound on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
So, medyo maaga pa to eh. 10 points lead lamang yung kalamangan dito ng Ateneo. So we'll see. We'll see if the Ateneo Golden Knights can capitalize and bounce back against the ACC Green Serpents.
But the ball possession will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents pero mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng ACC Green Serpents. 55-45 on our scoreboard with the remaining time of 5 minutes para dito sa ating laro.
And the Ateneo Golden Knights slowly getting the rhythm to start for the Golden Knights, and the ACC Green Serpents calling a timeout here. And shout out to Christine Alcanzo Reyes, one of our commentators of Bukal and one of the news anchors of Newsbreak of One Media TV 48 Naga, and also to our station manager Sir JM Jacob, and our production administrator Ma'am Irene Tosok, and technical director for Oragon Sports TV Engineer RJ Rebedorial, our cameraman and our crew Ma'am Jan Basales, Sir Kim Monteroso rather, and Sir James Gabarda and Margiela Berido. Yan, isa sa mga masisipag na staff ng One Media TV 48 Naga.
Yan, para makapanood tayo ng magandang bakbakan inside this hard court. Now, ano kaya ang gagawin dito LA ng Ateneo Golden Knights sa natitirang 5 minutes? No room for turnover para dito sa kanilang kupunan, and kailangan nila dito magkaroon ng magandang opensa kung gusto nilang makuha ang panalong ito.
Well, actually, big game. This is a big game, the ACC and Ateneo. Ang next din natin, isa din big game.
Yes.
The UNC Greyhounds will square off against the Naga College Foundation. Both teams from Naga City will look to battle it out on who is the best team in the province, because that will serve as a rematch in the provincial Prisaan. And number 14 called for that foul is Solomon. Christian Mayor scores with that underhand layup. 12-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents with 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Evan Bautista.
Now, Ateneo on the offense right now. This is number 17. No good on that attempt. And Madrona with that steal.
And Pilapil strips that ball off the hands of Madrona. And head coach challenge. No, Coach Mac a while ago calling for a challenge on that play a while ago. 20 seconds for the Green Serpents. Vidal, long three, no good.
Napakaganda pa sana kung pumasok yung 3-point attempt doon ni Vidal on that last sequence. But now, Ateneo Golden Knights with the ball possession and rather klaro on that free throw opportunity para madagdagan dito ang puntos ng kanilang koponan. But unfortunately, no good para doon sa unang attempt ni JC Claro. Now let's see. Dito sa pangalawang ito. At yun, makakakuha ng 1 point ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. 4 minutes and 11 seconds remaining para dito sa ating
Madrona rather. Number 19 of the Green Serpents called on that foul, and that will send Ateneo to the sideline for an inbound. Evan Bautista controls that ball to Solomon. Pentecostes, 3.
no good. Now, ACC Green Serpents with the ball possession. Jersey number 18, may hawak ng bola.
Nathan Bongon in and out on that shot. But now the ball possession will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. We have 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining here. What will the Golden Knights do here? Solomon open 3. That's good!
Yan ang hinahanap dito ng Ateneo community para mabuhayan ang kanilang players inside the venue. Now 49:57 with the remaining time of 3 minutes para dito sa ating laro. ACC Green Serpents, 5 seconds to shoot para sa kanilang koponan. Now Madrona.
3 seconds. Madrona doesn't notice that shot, but bang! Long bomb for Junmar Madrona as the shot clock was expiring.
Grabe, saktong-sakto para doon sa last sequence na yun ng 3 points ni Madrona. Now Pentecostes, no good. Again, ACC on the run here para sa ating laro. 60-49 on our scoreboard. And the Green Serpents community really feeling it right now.
No good on that layup a while ago by Mayor of the Green Serpents. Evan Bautista. That's good for Pentecostes. Babawi dito yung Ateneo Golden Knights, bringing the lead just to 8 points as we're nearing the last 2-minute mark, brought to us by Converge FiberX Solutions.
Ayan, last 2 minutes of the game. And anyone basketball pa, we cannot conclude yet kung sino ang mananalo ngayong hapon na ito. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights on the offense right now. And a foul committed by jersey number 17 on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Bautista need to take advantage with this free throw shot para sa kanilang kupunan. Basket for him para sa unang attempt dito ni Bautista. Now 60-53 LA on our scoreboard. Offensive rebound dito. Magawa ng bola. Para
Well,
sa
a
dalawang
held ball
kupunan.
situation. And then substitution here for Ateneo Golden Knights, and the possession arrow is pointing on the side of Ateneo. 9 seconds to shoot here. Pilapil. Sarmiento to Solomon. 5 seconds to shoot. Kurt Pentecostes guarded by Bongon. Shot clock violation by Bongon. A wasted opportunity for the part of Ateneo as they are down here against the ACC Green Serpents. Full court man-to-man trapping now enforced by the Ateneo Golden Knights. A sense of urgency of the Golden Knights because the ACC Green Serpents here is continuing and showing a dominant run against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Madrona to the outside to Bongon. 5 seconds to shoot here. Mayor was fouled and narrowly getting that shot.
Now Ateneo with the basketball. Heavily guarded here. 54 seconds remaining para sa ating larong ito.
Still a very close game for the ACC Green Serpents and Ateneo. Solomon thought about a 3 there. Pentecostes. A steal by Bongon.
Great steal coming from the Green Serpents here. Now Madrona looking for his teammates.
Vargas to Mayor. With 30 seconds here, 10-second shot clock remaining. Slowing down things here for the Ateneo as the Green Serpents know that they're on the lead, and Bongon will commit that shot clock violation with 17 seconds to shoot. Our shot clock is off. And the Ateneo Golden Knights calls a timeout to slow things down and hopefully can still find a way to be in this ball game against the ACC Green Serpents.
Yes, I think gagawa na lang nila ng magandang momentum or panapos itong larong ito para sa kanilang susunod na game dito sa Bokal Season 6. Pero kudos for these both teams for showing great and prowess inside this hard court. So this ACC Green Serpents talagang redemption game para dito sa kanilang kupunan. 61-53 on our scoreboard. 17 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro.
Well, if they can get this game, for this ball game, we still have a second round, the second round of action of Bokal Season 6. So a new bracket, new setting, new format for this tournament, so that they also have a chance for redemption and a yung revenge nila. Para mukha din yung parang may revenge tour din yung ating mga teams dito kasi yung new season, syempre new players, new addition din. Yun yung mga magpapalakas sa mga teams for this season. So with 17 seconds to shoot, or with 17 seconds left on our game clock, Ateneo basketball.
Now, thank you so much po sa lahat ng nanood sa atin live na live sa Bukal Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV Facebook page, and One Media TV 48 Naga Facebook page. Maraming salamat po. Now, back to the ball game. Ateneo basketball.
Sarmiento airballs that shot, but it's over for the Ateneo Golden Knights. The ACC Green Serpents clinch their third win for this tournament with a 61-53. And Ateneo Golden Knights going back to the drawing boards for another day in the office. 61-53 our final score. ACC wins. And mamaya malalaman natin kung sino yung ating best player of the game on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The best player of the game is brought to you by Garden Cafe, offers peaceful escape in a lush setting. The Serpents effectively served vengeance and clinched their win against the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, and one player showcased his utmost determination and drive to win, no other than jersey number 14, Junmar Madrona, with 18 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist, and 3 steals. Good afternoon and congratulations. Definitely a hard-fought win. What was your motivation all throughout the game?
Ginawa po namin motivation yung pagkatalo po namin sa NCF. Tas communication lang.
Okay, syempre more games to win this season. What can we expect from the team this season 6?
Bibigay po namin yung best namin para po manalo.
Syempre, best player of the game. Sino naman ang mga gusto mong i-shout out?
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon po. Binigyan niya po kami ng kalakasan ngayong araw. Tsaka po, shoutout po sa pamilya ko po. Tas kay Mariam po, sa girlfriend ko. Tsaka po sa mga teacher po namin, sa seniors po namin. Tsaka po sa mga classmate ko, katim ko, sa coaches, kay Coach Alter, kay Coach Badong. Tsaka po, sa mga kaibigan ko po sa Salvacion, tsaka sa mga kuya ko po sa Salvacion.
Thank you and congratulations once again. Now, this has been Eliza Faith Petisa Respeto, courtside resident of Amando Cope College Green Serpents, only here on Bukal Season 6, 1 Media TV 48 Naga, o Ragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And that ends our ball game for this afternoon of the ACC and the Ateneo Golden Knights, with our best player of the game brought to us by Garden Cafe. And best player from the ACC Green Serpents, Junmar Madrona, jersey number 14, with 18 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist, and 3 steals. This man has been explosive from the start and from the finish of our ball game against the Ateneo Golden Knights.
So what a game para sa ACC Green Serpents, clinching their third win dito sa ating Bukal Season 6. And of course, congratulations sa Ateneo Golden Knights for showing great basketball inside the Ateneo Gymnasium. Now, mamaya aabangan natin ang UNC Greyhounds versus the NCF Tigers. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am LA Lapid. Tutok lamang kayo dito sa Bukal Season 6, where Futurize. At dito lamang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.